My character, shall I wear my hat?
Ready?
Yeah.
All right, cheers.
One of the okay, so I make my own dog food, and one component is black beans in the pressure cooker. It's on. You ready?
Alright. Oh, that was close. Now make them sing.
Bounces off her teeth. She gets it.
Really so nice to let his sister have it, though.
Digging it home. And she's digging that way. Zach, get it. Get it. What's in there? You're gonna get it.
Hey, hey.
Take it this way, yeah.